The Cebu City Police Office announced that starting today, January 25, they will not only implement Oplan Bulabog at night, but also during daytime. They will also strengthen the enforcement of Cebu City Mayor Michael Rama's Oplan Puyo Gihapon executive order. Lieutenant Colonel Maria Teresa Makatangay, Information Officer of CCPO, said they started deploying police personnel in plain clothes inside malls and business establishments to check if safety health protocols are indeed met.
Apart sa ana nga nag-implementar ta og anti-criminality nato og deployment sa Oplan Bulabog, liaisoning is being conducted by the respective police stations sa ilaha nga mga the establishments that are located within the respective jurisdictions para pod nga maasistahan ang taga City Hall in checking whether these particular establishments are following the guidelines set forth by the city government. So ana ga-assist ang ato ang kapulisan ani nga mga personnel from the city government nga ga-inspect sa ato ang mga establishments nga nag-follow gid sila sa protocol. Apart from our uniformed personnel nga makita nato sa mga help desks, na apoy mga personnel who are on plain clothes that are observing and assisting the what they call this one people from the city government. But of course, since they are in civilian clothes, they do not carry with them firearms because bawal man under our COMELEC guidelines.
Makatangay warned everyone they should no longer be roaming around the city streets by 10 p.m. unless for official or emergency purposes to avoid being arrested. She said that most of the curfew violators they apprehended are minors. In fact, nearly 100 minors were rescued over the weekend who violated health protocols, especially the curfew hours. Makatangay said that based on the records, the numbers of minors being rescued during operation is increasing. With this, she appeals to parents and guardians to monitor their children and remind them of the importance of following health protocols now that COVID-19 cases in Cebu City are increasing.
Nisaka ang nasita nga mga minors. Yesterday, we have only 23, no? Yesterday, we have 48. Right now, we have 56 ka minors. So if we will make a trend, it's easy to see nga daghan kaayo nga minors gyud ang contributor sa pagsaka sa ato nga statistics. Ang ato ang mga adults man from 180 yesterday karon 167 sila kabuok. So nigamay. So that is still a challenge that we, the law enforcement, are all aware of, and we're actively thinking of how to address this concern.
This has been Choriza Miuy from ITV Cebu.